what's up guys? I'm back for another video. Today I'm gonna cook up a Southside TM88 808 Mafia type beat. So the first thing I did was open up Omnisphere. I'm using Palace's bank and it's a key called Skyrim. So for effects, I threw some RC20 and then EQ'd the lows. Moving on to the next sound, I used Palace's bank again. I'm using some other key. And again for the next sound, I'm back in the Palace bank using his ARP mirror. On this, I just EQ'd out the highs and lows. And for the last sound from a VST, I pulled up the KC Supreme Bass Finale from Electra X. First thing I like to do is bounce my melodies out to waves. So you want to take the melody you want and then highlight the 8 bars by doing control and left click and dragging. The next thing you're going to want to do is set it to song mode and then go to the track you want to record. So in this case track 1, hit the record button and then go to disc recording and then render it to a WAV file. I put it to cut remainder and keep it to 32-bit float, the best sound, and then just hit start. And cut remainder is just going to cut it to 8 bars. And now you have a wave of that melody, so it just helps your computer save CPU and memory. Next thing I did is add the 808, so I put the EQ knob up and turned out the out knob to make it shorter. Switches up to a Nick Mira 808 in the verse, as I usually do, and then the second part of the verse, Chuck Wood sent me an 808 stem. So it's kind of like a UK style 808. Next thing I did was layer the 808 with a kick. Next add the clap. After the clap, you gotta lay down the snare. Now I put down the hi-hat in like a Southside style. added an impact on the downbeat. And then during the bridge before the hook comes back, I add that bass. Now I'll walk through how I mix the beat. Add the hi-hat, make sure it hits between -9 to -6. Clap hits about -3. Keep the snare below it at like -6. Put the impact about -9. Now let the kick clip. Get a punchy feel with the soft clipper. Make sure the 808's hitting about -3. There's some distortion on there. And then a limiter so that it doesn't jump over -3 on the high notes. That last melody, I'm just mixing in with my ear. And then on the master channel, I threw some EQ1 and boosted the highs, more crispy sound. Then I'm feeding that into a soft clipper, just a default setting. And then on this beat, I was missing some punch, so I threw a limiter on it, and it kind of glues the mix together. So I have the attack and release pretty low, and then I put the gain up. Kind of glues the track together, makes it cohesive. Also increases the volume. Alright, now I'm gonna play the arrangement of the beat. You can just skip ahead if you don't want to see this. The last thing I like to do in my beats is have the master fader just fade away. So I'll show you how to do that. So first thing I do the control and left click and highlight where I want the beat to fade out, so the last 8 bars. Then I'm gonna right click on the master fader, create automation clip. Then that'll create a clip in the 8 bars, and all you have to do is just drag down the end of it, and then the volume will fade out. So that's today's beat. Thanks for watching the video again. Like and subscribe. Follow me on IG. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers now. Also, I changed my OBS settings, so I'm hoping the recording sounds a bit better. I had the audio bitrate too low on the last videos. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.